So back on the 407 V6 Coupe, the frustrating misfire on cylinder 6. So I've not actually used the car since then, just left it. However, like I say, even if you are driving the car, as long as the RPM stays below 4,000, that check will not happen, the misfire will not happen. So I said, okay, you know what, it's time for me to actually look at the Bank 2 catalytic converter to be sure it's not blocked, because I know this one I've checked this many times. So yeah, we removed it. So this is it. This is the Bank 2 3-cat. So when you look inside it, let me see. You can see it's intact, not blocked. And this is the one that came with the car. Intact. I'm not sure you guys are seeing it from the camera. I'm seeing it clearly. I'm seeing it clearly. There's nothing wrong with it. So at least I'll rule it out now. But if I've not done that, I'll be like, what if? Okay, so since the car is at the workshop this time around, so what I'll do is I'll have my team use the cylinder 6. Swap again. Maybe I've instructed them, take this one, the ignition coil, the spark plug, put here. Take this, the spark plug, ignition coil, put there. I know I've done the swap of the fuel injector. Taking this one, put it here. Take this one, put it here. So it shouldn't be the fuel injector. Because if it was, the issue is supposed to now come up on cylinder 5. So we'll see. And I'm looking at here. There's anywhere any sign that this could be leaking into from here. So find out and get back to you guys. Ordinarily, I would have probably taken one of the injectors in the front and swapped to that rear bank. But it just looks like I'm wasting my time. Remember, I've actually done this swap before. But notwithstanding, it's better I do it once and for all. So we instruct them, they take this, take it to one of the rear one, take this one and put them. Just going to waste fuel now. Then the high cost of fuel in the country. Don't like wasting the fuel unnecessarily. Once you pull any of the fuel injector, fuel will spray out. But then it's better. It's other that one. So we're going to mount it back. And complete everything, then see how it goes. Okay.